Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from any part of the world where they listen to me today from. My name now Williams Glory, and I bring now the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens devotion on our daily message book with the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye writes. Today now Monday 11th November 2024, and our topic today now Hold Your Vision Tight, Part 3. Our verse day for Hebrews chapter 12 verse 2. Make we dey look Jesus Christ wey give us our faith and go help us keep am. Because of the joy wey Jesus dey expect, he suffer for cross and no mind the shame wey follow am. But now, he don sit down for the right hand side for God throne. Our Bible reading day for Genesis chapter 30 verse 25 to 43, and it talks say, after Rachel don born Joseph, Jacob come tell Laban, make you let me go house go meet my own people for my own country. Make I take my wife and my children follow body, because I don work for you. But Laban say, if really say I dey good to you, then you go stay with me, because my spirit tell me say God bless me because of you. Laban still tell Jacob, make you just tell me wetin I go pay you, and I go pay you. Na him Jacob come answer, you know as I don work for you and how I don care for your animals. True, there no many when I come, but now wetin you get don plenty well. God don bless you for everywhere where I for work for you. But now, how long you go take before I go do something for my own family? So Laban come ask, wetin you want make I give you? Na him Jacob come answer am, you no need to give me anything, but if you agree with this one thing, I go continue to care and guide your animals. Make you let me walk around all your animal, come comot the ones wey get spot or mark or wey dey black. The animals go be my pay. Then my good go talk for me later, when you go see say na only the ones wey you give me I take. If you see any animal wey no get mark or spot or black, then make you call me thief. Laban come say, I don gree, make e be as you talk. So that day, Laban comot all the animals wey get white spots, mark or wey black, come say make him pikin care for them. Then he separates them from Jacob own with 3 days journey, and Jacob come dey care for the other animals. But Jacob take fresh branches when they just cut from polar almonds and plain tree, come pit them until he see the white wood for inside. Then he put the tree wood for the water where the animals for dey drink. He puts them for the animals front when dem dey chop and when they dey drink the water. Then when the sheep then sleep together for the branch front, they come dey born pikin wey get mark, spot and black. Jacob come separate those animals from Laban own. Then when the animals wan sleep with each other again, he come turn them face Laban own wey no get spot and black. So he can't get animal for himself and he no mix them with Laban own. When the strong animals wey be woman wan sleep with man animal, Jacob go put the branches for water so that they go sleep together near the branches. But if the animal dey weak, he no go put the branch for their front. Like this, na Laban can't get all the weak animals and Jacob can't get the ones wey dey strong well. Jacob can't get money because of this. He get animals, both man and woman servant. He get camel, donkey and plenty property. Now the message. Today I go complete my teaching about vision. I go emphasize say na fit become wetin una see. For today Bible reading, Laban don gree say he go give Jacob all the sheep wey get mark or spot from him sheep as pay. But because he wan cheat am, he hide remove all the sheep wey get spot, come leave only the one wey dey plain for him flock. Jacob no worry. Na so he peel back of tree. He come mark the body of the back of tree. He put the back of tree wey get mark for the place where the sheep dey always dey drink water, so that anytime they come drink water, they fit see the back of the tree. He make sure say the animals face the back of tree when they wan sleep with each other. E no too tey, the sheep wey get plain color come dey born the ones wey get mark and spot, until the ones wey get mark and spot come plenty pass the one wey get plain color. Jacob change the DNA of the sheep by changing the things wey dem dey see. For 2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 18, Bible talk say, as we dey look Jesus Christ, we come transform to him image. You need to pay attention to wetin you dey see now, because na wetin you go become for future be that. Make you purposely fix your attention for things and people wey go influence you to become wetin you wan become for future. The first time when I go Dr. Yongisho church for South Korea, I see say that they do civil service for 50,000 seater space for their church that Sunday. They even dey beg those people wey come service that day make dem no come next week. I see something wey look like wetin I wan become. Na so I take the vision go meet God. I cry give am about the matter. Some years later, I go back there, and this time I meet the man of God one-on-one, and he tell me say, I don hear about you well. Abeg you fit pray for me? I be see vision the first time I go there, and God don dey make things align to make me become wetin I see. When I go back there, I don turn different person. If you get vision and you dey focus for that vision, you go become wetin you see for your vision. The last thing wey I go talk be say, wetin you dey do go determine your destiny. For Judges chapter 16, Samson continue to dey do the wrong things. He continue to dey visit ashewo dem, and he dey do different evil things dem. Na wetin make am die young be this o. Gehazi for don become great prophet pass Elijah, but in love for money make am die as leper. This one dey for 2 Kings chapter 5 verse 25 to 27. My brethren, which vision you dey hold tight? The main point for today's message be say, wetin you dey see go determine wetin you become. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o. Till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
Whom have I on earth beside thee? Whom in